Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a strong, waxed thread so it grips and resists slipping. Linen or polyester works best. Once you have a clean, sanded handle, anchor the thread at the knob with 2 tight half hitches so the wrap won't move. You should keep tension firm but not so tight that the wood deforms. As you start the first few turns, overlap by roughly 1/2 the thread width to build a stable base that prevents gaps and sets up the rest of the binding. Now you continue upward, keeping each turn snug and evenly overlapped so the grip feels uniform. Once done with several layers, step back and test the feel. Make small tension adjustments to avoid pressure points. Use your free hand or a simple jig to guide the thread and maintain alignment. This prevents drift and bunching. If you reach an area that needs padding, insert a thin strip before wrapping. Keep strokes steady and repeat until you reach the desired coverage near the barrel. To finish, tie a compact knot. 3 half hitches work well, and bury the tail under a few final turns for a clean look. Once you're happy with tension, apply a small drop of strong adhesive or varnish to the knot to lock it. Make sure to spread it so it soaks the thread slightly without gumming the grip. After trimming excess, press the end into place and allow cure time. If you experience slippage later, rewrap the affected section or add an outer seal coat for extra hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.